Did you know the average person forgets 4 out of 10 things they learn within just 24 hours? Memory is a crucial part of our daily lives, whether it's acing an exam, remembering a friend's birthday, or excelling at work. But what if you could improve your memory and retain information more effectively? In this video, we'll explore scientifically proven strategies to boost your memory and keep your brain sharp. Before we dive into the tips, let's understand how memory works. Memory is divided into 3 stages: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Sensory memory is where your brain briefly holds sensory information, like the sound of a doorbell or the smell of coffee. Short-term memory holds information for about 20 to 30 seconds. Think of remembering a phone number long enough to dial it. Long-term memory is where information is stored for long periods, like your childhood memories or skills you've learned. The hippocampus, a small region in your brain, plays a key role in forming and retrieving memories. Neurotransmitters like acetylcholine also help transmit information between brain cells. Now that we know how memory works, let's explore how to improve it. Active recall is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your memory. Instead of passively rereading notes, actively retrieve information by testing yourself. For example, use flashcards or self-quizzing. Research from psychological science shows that active recall improves long-term retention by 50%. So, next time you're studying, ditch the highlighters and start quizzing yourself. Spaced repetition is another powerful technique. It involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. Apps like Anki or Quizlet use this method to help you remember more with less effort. This technique is based on Ebbinghaus's forgetting curve, which shows how we forget information over time unless we review it. Spaced repetition combats this by reinforcing your memory at just the right moments. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, the process of transferring information from short-term to long-term memory. A study from Nature Neuroscience found that people who slept after learning retained 20% more information. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your brain the rest it needs to perform at its best. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new neurons. A study in neurobiology of learning and memory showed that aerobic exercise improves memory by 30%. Try incorporating 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like walking or cycling, 3 to 5 times a week. Your diet plays a huge role in brain health. Foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins, like fatty fish, blueberries, nuts, and leafy greens, can boost memory. The Mediterranean diet, in particular, has been linked to a 24% lower risk of memory decline, according to research in neurology. So, fuel your brain with the right nutrients. Mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress, which is a major memory killer. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that meditation improves memory retention by 20%. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes of daily meditation to calm your mind and sharpen your memory. Social interaction isn't just fun, it's good for your brain. Engaging with others stimulates your brain and reduces the risk of memory problems. A study in the American Journal of Public Health found that socially active adults have a 70% lower risk of memory decline. So, make time for friends and family, or join a group activity.